guys, welcome back to Love and Shimmer. So in today's video, as you guys would have guessed by the title itself, that it's an unboxing video and we are going to unbox the most affordable subscription box in India, which is the GlamEgo Box. I have just received it and I thought I'll just quickly do the unboxing with you guys. So yeah, let's get started with the unboxing now. So guys, this is how the box reached me. It's a cardboard packaging and on it there are logo prints of GlamEgo all over. So yeah, it's quite a sturdy box. Now telling about GlamEgo Box, it's the most affordable subscription box right now in India. They send out 4 to 5 luxury products every month, and guess what, the price is just 299 rupees, which is very affordable because we are getting 4 to 5 luxury products in it. So yeah, that's a little brief about GlamEgo Box. And to know more about GlamEgo Box, or if you want to get the January GlamEgo Box, then I'll be mentioning the details below. Just click the link and you'll be redirected to the website. So yeah, now let's open the box. So guys, there is another sturdy packaging inside the cardboard box. So this is how the actual GlamEgo box looks like. So I guess this month's theme is no resolutions theme, maybe. So yeah, this is the box and let's open it now. So this is how the box looks like from inside. So we have a info card here in which it's written, "Thanks for making GlamEgo India's #1 beauty box," and they have mentioned all the products in the box. So yeah. So the first product we have is a Bio Bloom product and it's a handmade soap, and we have in the variants Rose. So it's a beautiful handmade soap and the fragrance is quite mild. It reminds me of rose obviously. So yeah, this is the first product and the price for this one is not mentioned here, so I don't know. So let's just keep this aside. Now the second product we have is from Naturals Bath and Body and it's the Whiten Nourishment Cream, and we are in the variants of grapefruit and vitamin C, your lighter, whiter, brighter fix. So it's a moisturizing cream. You just have to apply a peanut size amount to face for a perfect moisturized skin. So the price for this one is 220 rupees and we have 20 ml of product here. The fragrance of the cream is very fresh and it's very fruity. I really love it. I really loved it. It's really nice and I'm definitely gonna put this to use. Now our third product is the Bio Bloom Skincare Facial Oil. I so wanted a facial oil from a very long time and I finally have this. So this is the Age Defying and Radiance Booster 100% natural and we have 15 ml of product, and the price for this one is 1499, which is very expensive. So this is how the bottle looks like. So yeah, this is again a really nice product to add. Guys, my camera just went off while I was shooting. So the fourth product which I received was this lip gloss from Bella Voste and I am in the shade 03 Pop of Pink. It's a beautiful everyday pink gloss. I'm really excited to use this. It's a very beautiful shade, as you guys can see. So yeah, I'm really happy to receive a product from Bella Voste. So the price of this product is 599 rupees. So yeah guys, this was all for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, this was it and I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.